Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the first ever weekly forecast with me, Eugene, from Genius Trader. Well, I would like to share with you a few pairs that I'll be trading this week, and also I'll be sharing my pivotal points that I get through using my Fibonacci strategy, which will help you improve your trading as well as entry points and exit points. So let's get into it. The first pair that I would like to share with you is the New Zealand US dollar. So as I zoom in here, you can see that the pair was trying to break higher for about 1 to 3 days with no luck, and it keeps on closing below the key level, which is 65832 and 65900. So these two levels, the reason why they're key levels because when I draw the Fibonacci retracement levels, and they gave me 0.0 and 100 at the same level, then I would know that that is a key level. So naturally, I would look for sells, and with this one, we didn't take any sales, but we were focusing on the euro dollar. So with that said, on the coming week, I'll be obviously be interested in looking for a sell for a move lower. And when I check on the weekly time frame, I see that the last this week's weekly candle on Friday closed as a hanging man, and this is a powerful candle for a reversal to the downside, and only if it's broken above will it be invalidated. But for now, I believe that we will likely see a move higher to 0.65800, and from here on the pair will sell down all the way to 6.5 and even lower. So what I would do is wait for the next week candle, see how it's behaving on Monday, and also see if it's not looking into breaking higher. But also if we get a break higher up here above 6.5 900, then I'll wait for a retracement back into the zone. A retracement, obviously it's going to be a break higher if it happens, then a retracement back, then I'll look into buying. Then that will be buying for like 200 or to the upside or even more, because it would have broken up a very strong level, which is key levels in my view, and also according to the Fibonacci retracement, which is 00 and a 100. The 100 is the monthly time frame, and the 00 being the weekly time frame. So yes, then obviously I said that I'll be looking for a sell to the downside because of the hanging man, but only a close above it and a retracement would negate this sell idea for next week. And also we will start looking for a move higher. And when we check the extension, the next key level would be 0.72, which is about 660 pips to the upside. So if we get a break up here, then the pair will just keep going up and up and up and up and up, unless if for some reason it becomes a false break and the pair comes crashing down again. So that's the New Zealand dollar. The next one is the Euro US dollar, and I've been bearish here for some time and still am, because this pair is still on a critical zone, similar to the euro, to the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. It's on a very important level, which is 100 and 100 on the weekly. So only if this pair breaks above 14,550 and retrace back, then that will be the only time I'll be looking into buying. But for now, as long as this pair is below or 1.14550, sorry, then for me it will just continue down to at least 13.2, which is the next pivotal point for the pair, or even 1300, which is 0 level here on the weekly time frame. And then I would also look to buy all the way to 1500. I mean 115 and 116. So for now, I'll still look to sell as long as this pair will be closing below 114,220 and also not breaking higher at 114, 550. So the next one also that is also on a critical zone is the USD Swiss franc. If you check here, like I said, the most important levels, it's 100 and 00, 23.6 and 38.2 are levels that I use for my exit. So when you check here on the low side, like you can see that this pair is approaching a very critical buy zone, which will be 0.93700, or yeah, between 0.93700 and 0.93762. This will be a very important zone to buy, all the way to 0.943 and 0.944. Then this can be your exit zone, and the pair will most likely come back to this zone and even break lower. But for now, we might just see a move higher before we see a break lower. USD Japanese yen, this is a very tricky one because it's been going like sideways all the time. So since 15 June or so, or the 10th of June, this pair has just been going sideways all the time. It's not going higher or lower. So it's been trapped between 108 and 106. So for now, we wait for levels that will trigger a sell or levels that will trigger a buy. So we might see this pair rotate higher and get resistance somewhere between 1075 and 1078 because of this last high here, and that's where we should be looking into selling the pair all the way to 106. But also, if we see the pair go lower to 106, then we should start looking for buy around this area, or if it breaks lower, then also sell below on a retracement. Gold is very interesting because it has created a hanging man on the 1 hour time frame here, and the last two 1 hour candles, this was probably 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock South African time. The last two candles shows that the pair had started showing signs of weakness, and I believe that we might see this move continue, but because it's on a 1 hour time frame, we can also see it being invalidated and the pair continue going higher. But if this hangman holds, then the next key level to look to buy to look to buy this commodity is 107.89. This one between 107.89 and 1017.85. This is the key area to look to buy again, all the way to maybe 1800, 18 and 30, 1830, 1830 zone, all the way up, which will be the top of this channel. Which will be the top of this channel around here. So yes, that is all that I have the eyes for. Oh no, sorry. Also, Euro, Japanese yen is showing signs of weakness below 122.500. So we might see the pair rotate lower, probably to 121.5, 121.6 before it moves higher, maybe towards 124.5. Or it might still be trapped here at 122.6 or 122.5. So there's going to be a 100 pip trap between the two zones until we see some sort of breakup higher or down to the next key levels. And yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're gonna subscribe so that, and also click on the bell icon so that you can see more and more of these videos and learn how to trade and figure out next key levels with me, and also see what happens when you wait for the right time to execute a trade based on those key levels. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy your day further, and good luck with your trading week. See you in the premium channel. Those are in the premium channel, and all those who are in the free channel. I hope this helps you make better decisions going forward. Enjoy your day, guys. Thank you. Bye.